Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. Renovated and move-in ready. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Detitled mobile home, FHA eligible. Quite country setting on 0.59 acres. New metal roof. New carpet, fresh paint, new appliances, and cabinets and light fixtures. Kitchen with butcher block countertops and movable island. Split floor plan. Master bedroom with private bath. Oversized laundry room. Large lot for enjoying time with family, early morning coffee and quiet evenings. Country setting without being too far from all types of amenities. Plenty of room for family and friends. Won't last long. Submit your offer today.